Hi guys, welcome to our channel CJ Dropshipping Training. In today's video, we're going to talk about dropshipping with AliExpress. As one of the most well-known e-commerce platforms, is AliExpress safe to use? If not, how to avoid scams? In this channel, we're going to prepare this kind of useful content on a weekly basis. If you are into the idea of growing your dropshipping business smoothly, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's jump right into today's topic. First, is AliExpress safe? The answer is yes and no. To be honest, there are always risks with online shopping, especially on a platform like AliExpress, which is known for low-priced products. These products belong to countless independent sellers or factories in China. AliExpress is just the exhibiting platform. Thus, when it comes to quality control, AliExpress's hands are tied. But there must be a reason why countless dropshippers and dropshipping platforms are still choosing to cooperate with AliExpress. So let's see what are its strengths. First, there's no minimum order thresholds, which means that you can order single unit quantities of whatever you like. However, AliExpress does not serve free sample service for you to taste the product quality. Hence, some sneaky sellers may take advantage of this feature and sell low-quality products with delicate yet fake pictures. In making it safe, AliExpress has developed the Buyer Protection Program. If any issue occurs, you can always contact its support team. The support team is effective in keeping the buyer safe. Once you deal directly with AliExpress, you will stay protected. If the seller is not willing to solve the problem, you can open a dispute with AliExpress. Once you open a dispute, the seller will be contacted. And if the dispute is resolved on your side, you can get a full refund for your purchase within 15 days. Though there sometimes may be some back and forth before the final result, buyers are safely protected throughout the process. Now, let's talk about how to avoid scams. There are a few tips you can take. First one, stay away from products with extremely low price. If you find a store offering unbelievably low price compared to other sellers who sell the same item, trust me, 99% of the chance it's not being lucky, but being about to get into a scam. We all know there's no free lunch. If the price is too low, it's impossible for the seller to make any profit. Watch out for those potential scammers who's just using low price to lure you in. Chinese sellers on AliExpress often compete on product price fiercely with each other, but there is always a bottom line. What you can do in order to find a profitable price is to sorting by price and check the average price of the product, so you can tell where the line is. Tip number 2. Buy from reputable sellers. You should select the supplier carefully by checking their reliability and looking at the seller's review ratings to know their reputation. How to check the rates? First, make sure the product fits the description. Then you can click into the store. Here you will see the detailed ratings, feedback history, and other detailed information. The statistics are trustworthy because they are recorded throughout the seller's ordeals. Number 3. Contact the seller before placing your order. After selecting a reliable seller, you can reach out to them for their guarantees. Ask them for more detailed information about the product, shipping method, delivery time, and etc., just to double-check its profession. Furthermore, you can also ask them about after-sale policies, such as on-time delivery guarantee and refund policy. Number 4. Make your payment through AliExpress. By doing so, the merchant will not have your credit card information. Your personal information can be protected. Besides, the seller will not receive the money until you confirm the receipt of the product. In this case, if there is something wrong with the product or delivery, you can easily request a refund directly from the platform. Number 5. Check products carefully when they arrive. Never rush to confirm delivery before you receive them. Even when the products do arrive, don't rush to confirm either. The most important thing you need to do is check the parcel first to see whether it is damaged or not. And if necessary, take photos as proof. Then unpack the parcel to inspect the product and take photos if there is any problem. Number 6. Don't buy branded products. AliExpress is known for appealing prices, but don't expect well-known brands can be bought at insanely low prices. Sometimes you thought you got yourself a Nike, but you may just receive a pair of Nike. So what's worse is if you buy those knockoffs in bulk and sell them as authentic products, you can put yourself into big trouble. Okay, that's pretty much all for today's video. Just remember, there is always a risk in online shopping, even with a popular and famous platform like AliExpress. But if you can manage to get legit products, the profit margin would be really good. Always stay conscious and get prepared for challenges. If you like this video, please hit the likes. If you have any question about CJ, you are always welcome to leave them in the comment below or tweet your questions with the hashtag #AskCJDropshipping anything. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.